Hey everyone, here's a quick video about the difference between using Octane and Unreal Engine in your Midjourney prompt. Spoiler alert, there's no difference. I tested them against each other in 3 different topics. The first one is a striking warrior with golden hair in an action pose. Octane on the left, Unreal on the right, and they both look pretty cool, right? They both nailed the pose, they nailed the golden hair. And as you can see, they both brought a photorealistic edge to the picture. And here it is again, another version of it. I don't know if you could tell the difference between the two. Alright, next up is a BMW SUV in a winter mountain landscape. 3 different pictures we're going to be looking at here. Look how good the Octane looks on the left. That color is amazing. Again, very similar, and I should note that these are taken from the test algorithms, which in of itself make the photos look more realistic, but I also tried this on the version 3. You can't tell a difference. And last up, we have a Canadian moose, majestic pose in the Sahara Desert, and I actually really like the Octane render. I'd say that they're both slightly less realistic. I think the sand looks the same in both. Very unrealistic antlers, but it looks great. I suppose you could say that using the engine will give you this sort of computer generated look. Photorealistic setup with a hint of computer generated graphic. And then these two were both taken on the version 3 algorithm. And as you can see, they are not realistic. And this could be the prompt in the sense that Midjourney is just not quite good at making mooses. That would be my only guess, because these two are both clearly mooses and clearly not mooses. You know what I mean? Look at the lighting, like it puts it in a photorealistic environment where it's trying to do shadows and depth of field. I think that's what you get out of using the engines in your prompt. So why is there no difference? I think that it's because to the AI, they're both just highly advanced engines capable of making photorealistic images without needing to say photorealistic. But that's just my guess. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time.